Transforming Young Minds for Tomorrow project has engaged with learners from primary schools and secondary schools across 4 local authorities in Wales. The aim of the project is to engage with the learners and expose them to advanced methods of manufacturing, engineering processes and digital competency. We have engaged with over 50 schools and over 2,500 students, which is an amazing achievement in itself. The students follow a brief called My New School, which is aligned to the new curriculum for Wales. The primary school students use a 2-dimensional CAD program with plotter cutting, a 3-dimensional CAD program with 3D printing, along with several coding exercises aimed at program member Buggy that help students find their way around their new school. The secondary school students also undergo the teaching of these advanced methods, and their role is to support and mentor their primary colleagues. We have, where possible, used exciting new free software enabling the students to continue their learning when the project completes. The project has been received extremely well throughout Wales. A feature of it is that we have self-evaluated throughout, and the feedback from teachers that we've trained has again been amazing and carries so much value from these practicing professionals.
General day doing this project is we'll go into the school and we'll talk to them about what we're going to be doing. So it's normally 3 sessions. We start off with 2D design. We talk a bit about what 2D is, what designs they're going to be doing and whatnot, and then they will manufacture a jitterbug. We get them working in teams. This is because when they're older in real life jobs, they will be working in teams. So it's just talking about that. So designer, manufacturer, manager.
Okay, what else can you do in a team?
Get things done faster.
Yes, you can do things faster because you can split the work up.
We then move on to Tinkercad, which is a 3D software, and it's free to use online. So it's CAD, computer-aided design. And we get them having a little play on that for about half an hour before we get them designing their wheels. And the reason we get them designing wheels is we then 3D print them, and we come back the following week and then we use Kitronic buggies, and they have to code them, but the wheels that they designed are the wheels that they use on their buggies, and we get them coding using sensors, using light, using the LEDs on it.
I think it's like a really good opportunity to be able to be creative and do something new.
What I think about manufacturing is that you get to try like new things, and if you make a mistake it's fine because you can just redo it and you can try again.
My name's Fionn Williams. I'm a regional project deliverer for Blaenau Gwent. I've been here in St Joseph's today delivering the 3rd project, which is the final project out of 3, where the children have an opportunity to code and make code microbit buggy, and use a small motorised buggy with personalised wheels on the side that they've designed in a previous session. So at the bottom you have got a series of what I call gold teeth. Okay, that is the connection that you guys need to use in order for it to speak to this. Now this is the brains of what it is we're going to be coding today. It's that side, so if I move it in a certain direction, one wheel spins faster than the other. And that is because if you flip them upside down, you should be able to see in a little white box at the top something that says line following. And either side of those are 2 black boxes. Now those 2 little sensors are looking for the difference between the black and the white, which is why I've got a solid line running around the track by here. Now as I cover one sensor, one wheel goes, and as I cover the other wheel goes. Can you see that?
This session so far, I've liked doing the LED bits and like just making it spin. Yeah, that was really fun about it.
These projects have been really marvellous for the young people because it's giving them real life technology skills for the future. So we're using CAD, 3D designing, it's everywhere, coding is everywhere. Some of it's simple, some of it's full on tech, and they really get incited and enthused in what we deliver.
Today we've had Transforming Young Minds in to do a programme with our Year 6s. The project's been brilliant. It's really brought out a passion for STEM activities with some individuals that you didn't expect to enjoy as much as they did. And they've all been so creative and really love designing their own things on the Chromebooks.
Today, the best thing I did was the 3D printing, because it's just something new to me. We're doing a 3D printing. First of all, we're going to do a spanner, then we're going to do a wheel for a robot.
I'm Rachel Haydock, I'm Head of ICT at Prestatyn High School, and we had a group of Year 10 students that study computer science, digital technology and product design, and we were given the opportunity to work with our feeder primary schools to work as mentors. So our Year 10 pupils became mentors and we went into the primary schools to work on a number of little projects. It gave them a bit more of an insight into different things that were available to them through using STEM. They particularly enjoyed it when you came into the school as well and spent the time sort of prepping them to be mentors and showing them the different software. I learned quite a bit about the software actually as well, so some of it was things I hadn't done before. Certainly using the 3D sort of software and that sort of thing to design the wheels for their buggies. Absolutely, yeah, I think it should, because you know, the current Year 9s, if they got the opportunity when they get to Year 10 to do something similar, it would be ideal for them as well. And I think it's something that could be built on as well. Probably more things can be introduced into it.
I'm Rebecca Davis, CEO of the Engineering and Education Scheme Wales. Thanks to Bridgend, Blaenau Gwent, Conwy and Denbighshire, the project was developed to introduce primary school pupils in Years 5 and 6 and secondary school pupils in Years 10 and 11 to the world of manufacturing and engineering and make them aware of the range of innovative and rewarding careers available. Thanks to our lead project officer, Chris Harris, we were able to create and develop this pilot project, which has been delivered by a fantastic team, and positive outcomes have been achieved by all of its participants, as demonstrated in the project feedback we've received. We're excited to continue working with young people, and we hope that the project will leave a lasting legacy for all those involved.